Okay, this is a little bit more formal way or mathematical way of showing probability. So this first thing right here is just saying that there are 5 total items. Let's say that there are 5 pieces of fruit and there are 3 apples and say 2 bananas. So that's a total of 5. And it's saying, and this is A, right? Or so what is the probability of pulling, if you just choose one time, what is the probability of picking an apple? Well, since there are a total of 5 things and 3 of them are apples, that would be a 3 out of 5, right? So 3/5. So what this is saying is we've got a situation where the first time we pull something, the probability is 3/5. And then the second time we do an event, that probability is also 3/5. So those are just your 2 events. Remember in the last video, when we did apples, peaches, right? We had 2/5, and then it was 3/5 and 3/5. And the word and, remember what I said? The word and meant multiply. So when we got done, we ended up with 18 1/25 or 0.144 probability. Well, that word and right there tells you to multiply. So we're going to take our 3/5 times our 3/5, and that equals 9/25. That does not equal 33 100ths. If they equaled each other, it would mean that they were independent, like what we did in the last video, independent events. When they don't equal each other, that means something else is happening. And so this right here, that 9/25 does not equal the probability that it should be, that means that we are talking about dependent event. All right, we're going to come down here, and I think we're going to have the same thing here. Here's our probability of A. Here's our probability of B, and we have an and. So 1/2 times 1/4 gives us 1/8. Well, let's see. 8 goes into 40 5 times. So we would write that as 5/40. That does not equal 3/40. So that means this is another example of a dependent probability situation. So now it's telling us that events A and events B are in